Welcome back to Chef Champion Kitchen. This show was sponsored by
Well, today we'll be making baked potatoes. Here are our ingredients: callaloo, carrot, onions, red and yellow bell pepper, smoked ham, jerk sausage, and cream cheese. And I love cream cheese in mine. And this is the ranch dressing. So here we have our baked potatoes. I already baked them at 355 Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. Let's start. So here we squeeze our potatoes open. And now we add our ingredients. And here we add our carrots. You got to make sure you stuff them down inside the potatoes. Little onion, or red and yellow bell peppers. Or ham. Or jerk sausage. Here we add a little cheese, Jamaican tasty cheese. Here we add a little cream cheese now. So here we're going to put our potatoes into the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then when the cheese is all melted inside and around, after all of that is done, I should have my well baked stuffed potato. oven is preheated, so you can have a perfect potato. Romel, go and hold it. Shukshap, Aisha, Frost, Richie, CJ, CK, Cameron, go and pick up yourself. Gringo, you know you go. Curtis, Garen, go and pick up on yourself, and just go and pick up to the rest of Chef Champion supporters them. And keep the thing going, like, share and subscribe. So here we have our baked potatoes. Look at that. Amazing. So here we're going to add some ranch dressing. So here we're going to dig in to our potato. Absolutely amazing. The potato is baked just right. So remember guys, don't overcook your potato and don't overheat your oven as well. I'll go on over, let's tell them like and subscribe. Alright peeps, you know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, touch the notification bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.